Dear students of class 12th, today I shall tell you about some facts of A Girl with a Basket that was written by William C. Douglas. At first, I want to tell you about the some thing about William C. Douglas. William C. Douglas was an American. He was a judge in the Supreme Court of America. He visited many places of the world, and like the other places, he also came in India in 1950. During his journey in India, he come to an experience that impressed him very much, and when he went back to his country, he wrote a lesson, A Girl with a Basket. And in this lesson, he described the experience that had happened with him during his journey. Now, it is the knowledge of William C. Douglas. Now we shall discuss about the lesson A Girl with a Basket and shall know what is the story of a girl with a basket. In fact, the story of the girl with a basket can be divided into the three parts. As William C. Douglas during his journey travelled from Delhi to Ranikhet. From Delhi to Ranikhet, he travelled his journey by a train, and then from he travelled from Delhi to Bareilly by a train, and then he completed his journey by a car. Ab in the lesson he described, in the first part he described all the areas of India that has come to in his journey from Delhi to Bareilly. As we know that Delhi to Bareilly is come to the India's rich agricultural lands. And the second part, he described the condition of Indian people, Indian farmer, and those people who came from Pakistan to India when Bharat has divided into two countries, India and Pakistan. He described what was the real condition of India and Indian people at that time when India is divided into two countries, India and Pakistan. And the third step, he described the story of a girl who was selling a basket, and what he saw in that girl that he impressed very much. And when he met to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, he told that that girl gave the writer a glimpse of great India. And he also told Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru that it was the self-respect of that girl that I forced to love. I fall into love with Indian people. As we know that after reading the lesson, we have come to know that in this lesson, the writer William C. Douglas travelled in a train. It was a passenger train and it stopped at every station. The writer got down at every station and talked to the people. In this way, he tried to know about the real condition of India and Indian people as he had read in the books and other things. During his journey, when he got down at the station and tried to talk to the people, his routine of talking to the people was interrupted by some children who were selling their hand-woven things. These refugee children were the son and daughter of those people who came from Pakistan to India. They were very poor, and he also described the condition of those people. But we have to know about the incident that had happened at that station, and he had to force to write this lesson. So when all the children surrounded him and requesting the writer to buy her these dear things. The writer bought many things from those refugee children, and now he was unable to buy anything. At that time, a 9-year-old girl whose condition was very pitiable and he was in a very worn types of clothes requested to buy her basket. As the writer was not able to buy any basket as his hands was full, he gave some change to his basket as gratitude, as charity. This charity was not accepted by that 9-year-old girl. He returned all the money at the same price to the writer. And now, at the behavior of that 9-year-old girl, the writer forced to buy her basket. And when he met with the Prime Minister of India at that time, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the writer described that incident to him. He told him that it was the great reason that 9-year-old girl who lived in the very pitiable condition gave the glimpse of warm soul of India. And writer also told to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru that I knew the fact about India and Indian people, that the people, those who live in the high offices and also who work hard in their fields, have the great sense of citizenship and the self-respect of himself. Now, it is a story of a summary, you can say the summary of a girl with a basket. Now we shall discuss about the lesson. Today we shall read a passage of a girl with a basket. This is the opening passage of the lesson, A Girl with a Basket. Today we shall read it. I had left New Delhi for the Himalayas. अब now you have to know that the writer says that he had started his journey from New Delhi to Ranikhet, that was situated in the Himalaya. As the writer said that he was going as far as Bareilly by train and then by car to Ranikhet, an old British Army hill station located on a 6,000-foot ridge opposite a 120 miles stretch of snow-capped Himalayas. The train was slow and it stopped at all the way stations. At every stop, I swung open the door of my compartment and walked the platform. The writer said that he started his journey from New Delhi to Ranikhet. As he was going as far as Bareilly by train and then by car to Ranikhet. In fact, the writer trying to tell us that he completed his journey from Delhi to Bareilly in a local train, and then he completed journey from Bareilly to Ranikhet by a train. Now, in the third line, he described the Ranikhet. Ranikhet is an old British Army hill station that was situated on the Himalayas at the height of 6,000 foot. Ranikhet, where the writer was going, was a army hill station that was situated at 6,000 feet of height of the 6,000 feet at Himalaya. Now, the writer said that in the train that he was traveling was a local train, and as you know that the local train stopped at every station. The writer said that every station, when the train stopped, he got down at the platform and walked at the platform. This is the first passage, and now if you have to explain this passage, at first you have to write a reference And in reference, as like 11 classes, you have to write that this passage has been taken from the lesson A Girl with a Basket, which was written by a great writer, William C. Douglas, who was the judge of Supreme Court of America. In the contest, you have to write that in this passage, the writer described the journey which he travelled from Delhi to Rani Khet. And in the explanation, you have to write that he started his journey in India from Delhi to Bareilly by a train, and it was a local train, and it stopped at every station. It was the routine of the writer that he got down at every platform and talked to the people. In this way, he tried to know feel the pulse of the nation, yet tried to know about the civilization and the real condition of the India and Indian people. He also described in this passage about the Rani Khet, which was a military base station, and that was situated at the 6,000 feet of height of the 6,000 feet at Himalaya. In the next day, we shall discuss about the second passage of the lesson.